Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A potentiometer draws a steady current from the battery B of EMF capital E in the circuit as shown in the figure. The balancing length for the cell of EMF E when key K2 is kept open is L1. If key K2 is closed and a resistance S is introduced in the resistance box RB, the balancing length becomes L2. The balancing length L1 is greater than L2 because option A, capital E is greater than E. Option B, positive terminal of the battery is connected to positive terminal of the cell. Option C, the voltage drop across the cell is greater than that across the battery. Option D, terminal potential difference of the cell is less than its EMF. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है, की कॉन्सेप्ट हियर इज पोटेंशियोमीटर. पोटेंशियोमीटर क्या होता है कि वो एक वोल्टेज डिवाइडर है. पोटेंशियोमीटर इज अ वोल्टेज डिवाइडर which is used to measure potential difference, EMF and internal resistance of a cell or anything. तो ये है एक पोटेंशियोमीटर. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले ये जो पोटेंशियोमीटर है विच इज मीटर ब्रिज एसेंशियली, उसका वर्किंग का देखेंगे क्या होगा, उसके बाद इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करेंगे. सो सबसे पहले द बैलेंसिंग लेंथ in a potentiometer is determined by, क्या फैक्टर्स इसे डिटरमाइन करते हैं, तो द रेशियो ऑफ द EMF of the cell to the potential gradient of the potentiometer wire, so is determined by A, ratio of EMF of the cell to the potential gradient. तो potential gradient क्या होता है? It is the potential difference per unit length. कि वायर का जो लेंथ है उस पे what is the gradient, that is the potential as a function of unit per unit length, वो कैसे वेरी होगा. तो इस रेशियो पे बैलेंसिंग लेंथ डिपेंड करता है of the potentiometer wire. Second point, जब की K2 क्लोज होता है, so what happens is when K2 is closed and resistance S is introduced, so the potential gradient changes. तो इससे क्या होता है, इससे ये जो रेशियो होता है बैलेंसिंग लेंथ विच इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द रेशियो ऑफ द EMF टू द पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट, अभी वो रेशियो चेंज हो जाएगा, द पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट चेंजेस. तो तब क्या होगा, therefore first thing that happens is terminal difference terminal potential difference, sorry, terminal potential difference of the cell is less than the driving EMF. तो जो EMF उसे कॉज कर रहा है वो उससे कम होगा, विच मीन्स दैट ये जो स्मॉल छोटा e है that becomes less than capital E, or we can say capital E is greater than this E. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शंस को मार्क कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड कि बैलेंसिंग लेंथ कैसे वेरी होता है. सो द बैलेंसिंग लेंथ L1 is greater than L2 is because capital E is greater than small e. So option A correct है. And terminal potential difference of the cell is less than its EMF. So option D भी correct है. So the correct answer to this question is option A, capital E is greater than E, and option D, terminal potential difference of the cell is less than its EMF. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.